Hi everyone, how are you all? Today I am making a bag for my daughter. She wants a shoulder bag which is a little bit bigger than the kids bag. So what dimensions I need is 12.5 inches in width, and the length is going to be 9 inches. You need two pieces of it for the front and the back. This is what I had, so I'm using this. You can pick any fabric you like. Then you need two pieces of lining, and then you need two pieces for the interfacing. After that, I am taking another piece. The width for this is 12.5 inches and the length is 4 inches. And this is what I'm going to use for the pockets. Next, what I'm going to do is a cutting for the side piece, and I'm going to measure from one corner and go all around and to the other corner, and whatever length is it, I am going to cut that much fabric for the length, and the width is going to be 2 inches, or you can take 2.5 to 3 inches depending on the space you want for your bag. After that, I'm going to place the interfacing for my main fabric, and I'm going to stitch all around it. So this is how it looks like. Next, I am going to stitch the side piece, and leaving the top open, I'm going to sew on 3 sides of my purse. Once it's done, I'm going to attach the other side of the purse. So now this is ready, and this is how it looks like so far. It's time to sew the lining, but before that I am going to attach the pocket. If you don't want to attach the pocket, you just go ahead, stitch the way we stitched the purse earlier. So for the purse, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place wherever I like. From the bottom, it's like 2 inches upwards. So she has more space to put the pens and whatever she wants to put in. Once you are satisfied, you just, pin the fabric and start stitching. Mark how wide you want your pockets to be. So first two pockets are a little wider, so she can put her chips bag or whatever she wants to. And the other one, the last what I had left was like around 3 inches. So this is what I'm going to put in her purse, little accessories according to the weather. So this is what this is how I measure. And I am going to just mark 1 inches or 1.5 inches and sew on it and make little pockets for lip liners or lip balm or markers or pencils or paintbrush, whatever you want to do it. So once the pockets are done, now I'm stitching of the side piece of the purse for the lining, and make sure you're stitching on the 3 sides and leaving the top open. All right, now it's done. The lining is done. The purse is done almost. I am going to attach the lining. So what I'm going to do is inserting the lining fabric in the purse. make sure your wrong side of the fabric is matching the wrong side of the outside of the purse. So now what I'm going to do, I am going to pin it all around and sew it. Make sure you match all the seams. So this is how it looks like. And you can see there are no threads coming from anywhere, and it's like seamless. Once you are done with this, just do the finishing touches on the purse. So I attach the button strip. You can also add piping on the top. I added the keychains which I made at home from the random stuff, and then just to give it a blink on the button area, I added the gem, and that's all I have done. I'm putting all the stuff she wanted to carry when we are in the car, and she doesn't want to use the phone. She wants to do the drawing and stuff. So I am putting all the essential what she needs. So this is what I have in her purse, little snacks as well. So she can carry to her friend's house as well if she wants to, or to the park too. All right, so that's about it for this video. I hope you like it, and I will talk to you soon, guys. Bye.